This is the new Samsung robot vacuum, the JetBot AI Plus. We have been using it in our office for the past 2 weeks, and here's what I think of Samsung's top-of-the-line robot vacuum. The new JetBot series has an entirely new design, and what really stands out is the inclusion of the Samsung Clean Station. It is an automated vacuum cleaner to empty the robot vacuum's dustbin. It is now the standard accessory that comes with both JetBot Plus and JetBot AI Plus. The plus in the name means it has the clean station. When the robot vacuum finishes cleaning, it returns to the charging dock to charge, and at the same time, the clean station empties the debris from the dustbin into the included disposable bag. There is an opening under the robot vacuum's dustbin that lines up to the hole at the clean station's base. Here's what it sounds like when a clean station is in action. This is one of the better self-cleaning systems because the bin has a dedicated opening so that it reduces the chance of clogging. The disposable bag is about 2-liter capacity, and Samsung has claimed it will be able to hold 3 months worth of debris depending on your usage. The clean station also has a separate filtration system to reduce fine dust from escaping. Moving on to the robot vacuum itself. Unlike the regular JetBot Plus, which has a circular design, this JetBot AI Plus has a rather unique combination of circular and square-off look. This particular design allows Samsung to use a wider roller that comes with a larger surface area to clean a better cleaning efficiency. Samsung also decides to use soft brush rollers instead of conventional bristle brush rollers. There are pros and cons of each type of roller, but the main point is the soft brush is more suitable for hard floors as it creates a better seal against the floor so that it can pick up fine dust and heavier debris. However, the soft brush rollers are not good enough for carpets as it lacks agitation to deep clean the carpet. That's why it takes a bit of time to fully clean our office carpet floors. On the other hand, the bristle brush roller is striking a balance between cleaning the hard floor and carpet. I won't say it is the perfect brush, but at least for the majority of users who had no idea about the differences, a bristle brush will always work for them. Otherwise, if you are planning to clean the hard floor, the soft roller is the perfect option. I just hope Samsung could do something to reduce the tangles, as other companies are investing a lot in that direction now. The new JetBot series utilizes a top-mounted LiDAR sensor for mapping and navigation. It will detect walls and furniture around the cleaning area, then proceed to produce a map, which can be viewed in the Samsung SmartThings app. You can then configure the no-go zone so that it will avoid going into some places that will disrupt the robot vacuum's operation. For example, if you don't want the robot vacuum to go to your place with a lot of cables lying around, or you don't want it to go into the toilet. Apart from that, the app also includes various settings such as suction power and cleaning scheduler. The JetBot AI Plus, apart from using the LiDAR sensor, also comes with a camera at the front. This camera is used for obstacle avoidance. That is where AI comes into play. They have trained models for the camera to recognize small objects and avoid them. One thing I don't really understand is why is the JetBot AI Plus is so big and tall? I don't think the additional AI functionality would take up that much of the space. This makes the JetBot AI Plus less versatile at cleaning in some areas, for example, under the furnitures. This is something you will need to take note of. So to summarize, the Samsung JetBot AI Plus is one of the most advanced vacuums on the market. However, you have to keep in mind that this robot vacuum only can vacuum and there's no mopping function in it. It utilizes both LiDAR and optical image recognition for excellent navigation and cleaning. I would strongly recommend this if you are planning to use it to clean your area with mostly hard floors. The Samsung SmartThings app has excellent integration with a smart home ecosystem in terms of support, user interface, and user experience. All that comes at a steep price. The JetBot AI Plus retails for 5,999 ringgit Malaysia. Even with seasonal discounts reached either directly from Samsung or third-party retailers, it is still very costly, considering other competitors are offering almost similar functionality, if not more, on top of the ability to vacuum and mop at the same time. So that's all what I think about the Samsung JetBot AI Plus. If you've got any questions regarding this robot vacuum, you can always leave it down in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.